Hello Yakup Malim, and my name is Bakhtiar Mammadov, and I want to give my heart problem explanation. My heart problem number is 2046, and this and I I give the my solution, and I give my solution. First of all, the integral a over sinus x multiplied by x cosine over 3x minus sinus x divided by cosine over 2x dx. And firstly I apply linearity, and this function is the equal the minus integral a over sinus x multiplied by sinus x minus x cosine over 3x divided by cosine over 2x dx. Now I try to solving, and this a of integral a over sinus x multiplied by sinus x minus x cosine over 3x divided by cosine over 2x dx, and rewrite the integral a over sinus x multiplied by sinus x divided by cosine over 2x minus x a over sinus x multiplied by cosine x dx. And this function the equal the integral a over sinus x multiplied by secant x tangent x minus x a over sinus x cosine x dx. And now again apply linearity, the integral a over sinus x multiplied by secant x tangent x dx minus integral x a over sinus x multiplied by cosine x dx. Within the sum apply the integration by parts for integral a over sinus x multiplied by secant x tangent x dx, and integral the f derivative of g equal fg minus integral f derivative of f multiplied by g if f equals a over sinus x, and derivative of f equal a over sinus x multiplied by cosine x, and g equals secant x, and derivative of g equals secant x tangent x. And this give me this equal the a over sinus x secant x minus derivative integral a over sinus x dx. And now within the sum apply integration by parts for integral x a over sinus x cosine multiplied by cosine x dx. If in here f equal x divided by derivative of f equal 1, and g equal a over sinus x derivative of g equal a over sinus x divided multiply by cosinus x, and this the equal x a over sinus x minus integral a over sinus x dx. And the integral a over sinus x dx cancel, leaving only the equal a over sinus x secant multiplied by secant x minus x a over sinus x, and plug in solve the integrals. The minus integral a over sinus x multiplied by sinus x minus x cosine over 3x divided by cosine over 2x dx, and this gives us the x a over sinus x minus x a over sinus x secant x multiplied by secant x. And let us the problem is solved. The integral a over sinus x multiplied by x cosine over 3x minus sinus x divided by cosine over 2x dx. This function is equal x y over sinus x minus y over sinus x secants x plus c, and finally I get this answer, the minus y over sinus x multiplied by secants x minus x plus c, and thank you for your attention.